Take 100. So we're making a video to show how to make a fabulous video. And the first thing to think about is how much time you give yourself, because you're probably not going to get it on the first take.
No.
We never do. Take 430. This is a video to show how to make a fabulous video. So one of the first things you want to think about is your setting, your background, and your lighting. So we like to come outside, we have natural lighting. It's much better than when we try to video inside. And what we want to think about is how close you are to your background. So if you go close to your background, like you can see Dean doing there, you get kind of lost. So you want to be the focal point, you want to pop out from your background. And lighting.
The lighting, natural lighting is the best lighting. So early in the morning before the sun fully comes up, or late in the afternoon as the sun is going down, is the best time to shoot. And right now the sun is just about going down, and you can see
how beautiful we look. This is the exact same time, and you could see that if we have that above us, it really doesn't look very good. We almost look like we're in some sort of vortex thing. Just give an idea of a not great background. You could see right here, not fabulous, not at all.
sun coming in.
Yes, not good. So this is also a horrendous thing to do. Our first videos were like this. We were like on a boat, and it was like super above us, so it looked really bizarre.
And the below.
But you could see the lighting.
And make sure the below shot.
Oh yeah, you also did. No, I'm not even going there. I just want some more not good, blinded by the light. Here again, bleh, no lighting, no good. And we happen to have a yellow house. Not really happy about that. Really look bad. Look at this. Look how terrible we look. More on terrible lighting. Horrible lighting. Wow, we look really weird here. Pretty ugly background. That one's self-explanatory.
Yeah.
So another thing you want to think about is background noise if you are outside.
Yes. How many times we've been out here in airplanes, gardeners around the neighborhood, dog barking, a loud car going past, or motorcycles. Yes.
Unless you have special mic, it's going to pick up all of the noise around you. So you want to think about that so that it doesn't distract from your fabulous voice. Here's some good background noise, and look at this really awful background. That is just not good. So what we did was we rigged up a selfie stick. We taped a selfie stick to a regular tripod. Yeah, it's worked really well for us. Yeah. So there's other devices you can buy on Amazon to hold your phone if you want to set it on a table. That's another fantastic thing to do. I think maybe it's $20-30 for one of those devices. So that is how to make a decent video, or how not to.